Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. So every year I order this yearly planner. So keeping the ritual alive, this time also I ordered my 2026 planner, and I quickly wanted to share with you all what I received inside my big planner box. So yeah, let's begin. So first of all, this is the big box that I'm talking about. So big. Okay, so I every year I order this trio. The trio is one is the wall calendar, one is the planner, and one is the desk calendar. So with this trio, you also get um, so many freebies, and that is the most exciting part. So let me show you all that is inside this box. Okay, so all the three things, the planner, the wall calendar, and the desk calendar, comes in this good colorful box, which again you can use in any ways. Like love to, I use it as packing small gifts because it's so colorful and so vibrant in itself. Now let's see what's inside this box. Okay, these are the freebies. This is, I think, the planner, and this is the desk calendar, and I think there will be, yes, and this is the wall calendar. So मैं एक एक करके आपको एक एक चीज, let me show you. Okay, so this is the 2026 wall calendar. So this is for the January month, and यहाँ पे sufficient space है where you can add your notes, and similar is for the February month and for the March month. And you can see every month is so colorful and vibrant. So once you put it on your wall, it looks so pretty and beautiful. So yeah, this is the monthly 2026 hanging calendar, and it comes with this thread which you can use to hang. Now this is the 2026 Dex calendar. Once you open it, you get like this. Now again you can see this is so nice and colorful. It is magnetic, and again, once you open each month, you get sufficient space to write important days, to mark important days for every month, and it is in the form of doodles. Now this year they have also given space for the notes and some beautiful stickers, of course, which you can use. And this one is, of course, why I order this all thing. This is the ultimate planner, 2026 planner. Now inside the planner box you have one pocket planner, और ट्रस्ट मी सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ मेरा ये पॉकेट प्लानर होता है. Whenever I travel, I cannot take this huge planner with me, so I carry this pocket planner. And एक एक छोटी छोटी detailing is so beautiful. uh, like here also in the pocket planner you get sufficient space to write your important days and notes. So सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ मेरा ये pocket planner होता है in traveling especially. And of course it comes with one sticker book. So yeah, this is the sticker book. There is one note from the author, and this is the planner. Now, this is how the cover of 2026 planner looks this time. On the first page, you get to write about yourself, your personal information and things, your name, address, and everything. You have one 2026 calendar, 2027 calendar. Then every year you get to write a letter for yourself, which you open by the end of the year. And I never fail to follow this ritual. It is so nice, manifesting the entire year. Then you have one page of 2026 goals, your day routine, of course, a very cute separator, monthly separator. Then this time you have your intentions, top priority, quote for the month. This is something new. ये हर बार नहीं रहता है इनके planner में. Then as usual you have spaces to write important days and events for the day. Then you get a separate space for each day. Then of course your monthly meal plan. ये मेरा इतना use नहीं होता because I never follow this. And oh, this time they have, oh no, they have your habit tracker, your notes, then your period tracker, then your to-do list, some personal to-do list and office to-do list, and then the meal planner, and then some important notes, whatever you want to write, miscellaneous things. And here comes the month February. ऐसे similar February month के लिए भी है, and this is the March month. This is April. Every separator is so beautiful in itself. This is the May. This is the June. The one thing I love about these planner is that they have clearly they put the separators which make it very easy to write. Because last time मैंने कोई और प्लानर ऑर्डर किया था उसमें ऐसे डिफरेंट सेपरेटर्स नहीं थे तो बहुत मुश्किल होती थी मंथ ट्रैक करना. सो आई लव अबाउट इट दिस प्लानर कि इसमें ऐसे अलग अलग स्पेस दे गिव टू राइट. एंड इन द एंड आई थिंक देयर विल बी a pocket where you can store something whatever you write, like whatever you want. This is the bookmark. And इस बार बाइंडिंग की क्वालिटी अच्छी है, लास्ट ईयर नहीं अच्छी थी. सारा मेरा प्लानर खुल गया था. सो दिस टाइम it's pretty nice. Okay, so this is the main reason why I order the trio. देखो मेरा वॉल कैलेंडर और प्लानर सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है, बट डेस्क कैलेंडर मेरा इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होता. बट स्टिल आई ऑर्डर अ ट्रायो बिकॉज इस ट्रायो के साथ ही ये सारी फ्रीबीज मिलती है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ये इतनी कूल है. एवरी ईयर आई एम सो एक्साइटेड मोस्टली फॉर द फ्रीबीज. सो लेट्स सी इस बार मुझे क्या क्या मिला. Okay, so these are things that I received as freebies. सबसे पहले तो this is the coaster, very cute. Last year भी उन्होंने freebies में coaster दिया था और बहुत cute था वो, अभी तक मेरा use हो रहा है. And this time also this is very cute. Then these are some pens. Let me open and show you. Okay, so these are the pens, very quirky and colorful. I love it. Now, this is one notebook for your doodle notepad. I really don't know what is this. I'll figure it out. Then again one more notepad. और ये notepad मेरे बहुत यूज़ होते हैं on the go. मतलब ये मैं अपने डाइनिंग ड्राइंग पे ये पड़ा रहता है. एंड समथिंग जो मुझे एकदम अर्जेंटली लिखना होता है, आई जनरली यूज़ दीज notepads. लास्ट ईयर वाला भी पूरा यूज़ हो गया था. This is the keychain. Let me open and show you. Okay, trust. द बिकमिंग। आई लव दिस। लास्ट ईयर भी इन्होंने, एक्चुअली लास्ट ईयर मैंने, आई वॉज द फर्स्ट 10 पर्सन टू ऑर्डर, तो मुझे मेरा पर्सनलाइज्ड की चेन दिया था। ओ सॉरी, ये लास्ट ईयर का ये कोस्टर, गलती से मैंने इसी में छोड़ दिया। This is the photo frame. So cute. Yeah, of course, I'll put it somewhere because it's so colorful and so cute. And this is the candle. Very nice and pretty. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि फ्रीबीज में ये लोग कुछ भी रखते हैं। फ्रीबीज में हमेशा इतना वेल थॉट गिफ्ट होता है एंड सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे यूज़ में आता है। सो पूरा वर्थ होता है मतलब ये ट्रायो ऑर्डर करना। सो या दिस इज प्रिटी मच इट। Okay, guys, so that was pretty much it. I received everything from inside the planner box. I love every detail, और हर साल मैं उन्हीं से ऑर्डर करती हूँ। इस बार भी, इस साल का ये देखो, मेरे डेस्क पे ये कैलेंडर पड़ा हुआ है और मेरे वॉल पे वो हैंगिंग कैलेंडर लगा हुआ है। सो ये मेरा एक ईयरली रिचुअल बन गया है टू ऑर्डर फ्रॉम हर। एंड every little detail is so thoughtful and put together, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है। I love colors and like writing inside the planner. And hope you all also liked it, and let me know if you want to see any further video of how to do journaling and how to just put your thoughts and actions into words. I'll make a separate video of my journaling. So yeah, and continue watching my videos, and don't miss to subscribe to my channel. And bye bye, take care.